Hello, my friends. I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist. It's a new month, and we're talking about how to make decisions when trying to save energy. So, where do we start? The best place to start is knowing where you've come from. So, instead of licking your finger and sticking it in the air to help you make a decision, you will instead get out your spreadsheets of what you have been using over the last year or two. Sorry? What was that you just said? You have never tracked how you use energy in your business throughout the working year, and you don't know which items are creating your biggest costs. Okay, this is where an energy audit of your business will start to help you see what is happening and where your biggest costs are. Let's put it simply. We make a list of the items which are using energy throughout your business, and then we assign an estimate of how much they are used every week and the cost for this usage. We then line this up against your past year of energy bills to find a model of what is happening. This means you will end up with an energy model of what's happening in your business over a full year. And then you can start to make decisions about changes you want to make, or even the cost of changing infrastructure with regards to payback if the new systems increase or decrease your energy usage. This is business intelligence, and it should help you make good decisions for the future. I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist. Come and find out how to save more energy and more cash at energyevangelist.co.uk. Bye.